Can't find that one conversation you need? Here's the problem. Zendesk doesn't let you export a single chat. You work with batches, workarounds, or API calls, and none of them are obvious. This video covers every export method so you get exactly the data you need. Zendesk doesn't offer a single conversation export option. Compliance requests requiring per customer data are a manual process. Download links expire after 24 hours, and light plans only retain 30 days of history. Before you export, you need to understand these constraints. 4 things to check before you begin. You need admin or agent access to the chat dashboard. Know your plan. Light keeps 30 days. All other plans keep chats indefinitely. Your email must exactly match your agent chat profile, including lettercase, and be ready to download within 24 hours because export links expire. Method 1 starts in the chat dashboard. Navigate to history in the main menu. This is where all your past conversations live and where the export process begins. Check the box next to any conversation or click Select All for the page. Then click the Actions drop-down and choose Export Chat Details. You can select one conversation, the full current page, or all chats from the last 90 days. Finally, enter the agent email addresses and click Send. The export arrives from noreply@zopim.com with a download link that's valid for 24 hours only. The CSV includes visitor name, email, phone, timestamps, duration, department, agent assigned, tags, and ticket numbers. Important, the CSV does not include the actual conversation text. If you need the actual words from each conversation, use method 2. From the history page, select your conversations, open the Actions menu, and choose Export Chat Transcripts. This delivers full message text from both sides, per message timestamps, and one file per conversation. Zendesk has no native single conversation export. 3 workarounds cover most situations. Option A, add the transcript to the linked support ticket if you have chat and support integrated. Option B, open the conversation, select all text, and paste it into a document. Option C, search by visitor email or date, select only that chat, and export it as a one-item batch. Teams with developer resources can use the Zendesk Chat API to pull conversation data programmatically. The API supports scheduled automated exports on a recurring basis, filtering by agent, department, date range, or custom metadata, and large-scale extraction that the UI cannot handle. A basic request looks like get API v2 chats.created after 10/20/24/01/081. Choose your format based on what you need. CSV metadata includes visitor info, timestamps, and ratings, but no conversation text. TXT transcripts give you full message text from both sides, one file per conversation, but require admin access for bulk exports. JSON via the API delivers everything, metadata plus full text, filterable by any field, with a 200 request per minute limit. 4 problems come up repeatedly. Recipients must be agents means you can only enter emails registered in your Zendesk account. Download link expired means you missed the 24-hour window, just re-export. Conversation not in history usually means the chat hasn't ended yet, or you're on a light plan past the 30-day limit. Export data is incomplete means you use the CSV instead of the transcript export or API. Eesel AI connects directly to your Zendesk account and surfaces insights from your conversation data in real time. No CSV files, no waiting for emails, pattern analysis without manual exports, AI-powered response suggestions from past conversations, and live analytics across your full support history. Eesel AI connects to Zendesk in minutes and gives your team analytics, response suggestions, and conversation insights without any export hassle. Try free for 7 days at www.eesel.ai. No credit card required.